I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure.
We're here at the Independent Spirits Distillery in Swedesboro. This craft distillery is the first in Gloucester County, and it's family owned and operated.
Now it's time for
the best homemade ice cream.
I'm here today in Newcastle, Delaware.
Today we are going to dig in and learn more about not only the Philadelphia charities, but also the Philadelphia Flyers.
Now we're going to head over to Wrightstown, New Jersey to look at this great new property to showcase.
What better way to spend winter but with family and friends in a magical place called Tinseltown?